Hey, Fryer Guy here, and today got another video. And today's video is not going to be on how to fix certain things or how to be a better tech or things, stuff like that. In this video, guys, I want to talk to you about why almost all of my videos are gone. So I'm going to get right into it. So if any of you guys have been paying attention, notice I haven't posted videos in a little bit and all this other fun stuff. Well, I had to take down almost all of my videos. One of our biggest customers that we have, that service company I work for, did not like the fact that I was making repair videos and using their equipment. Now, mind you, I never showed any of their associates. I never showed any of their signs, their people, nothing. I never mentioned them by name, and I still won't. I didn't show my face or anything else like that. But, you know, there's people who do know me, and some people with their careful deduction know who I am. And if any of you guys do know who I am, please do not share that, because it will only get me further in hot water and could possibly force my company to have to fire me. So don't do that. But we did not know, to include the service company I work for, did not know we were breaking any of that particular customer's rules. I was very careful about focusing strictly on fixing that piece of equipment. Now, the thing is, this customer thinks apparently they're the only ones that have Bizerba slicers, for example, even though I can name several other places that carry Bizerba slicers. And one of their biggest competitors, Walmart, for example, uses Bizerba slicers. Altosham combi ovens. I have some regular restaurants that use those style combi ovens. Giles Fryers. Actually, surprisingly, a lot of gas stations carry those. And there's a few places in malls that carry them. So you're going to see that there's a lot of places that carry these particular pieces of equipment. So I was focused on helping you guys out and trying to make your lives easier, because sometimes we just need that. You're running into a situation, you're not sure how to fix it, so this is how you fix it. Well, unfortunately, they found out that it was our service company, me that works for them, and they said I had to remove those videos because apparently I'm violating something, even though I never badmouthed anything. What it could possibly be is that some of the appearance of their equipment might shed a bad light on them or something like that, and honestly, that's on them. They should be taking better stock and better care of what their equipment looks like. That's not on me. That's not my fault if that got exposed. That's not my company's fault. But I'm not bad-mouthing them. I don't want to think that they're a bad company or anything like that. I understand where they're coming from. So my videos are going to be even more limited. So anytime I get some new video, be it a Henny Penny thing, or if there is another Bizerba slicer thing that can pop up somewhere or whatever, I'm going to try to get those videos out to you guys. So I really want to thank you guys who have subscribed, who've checked out my videos and seen everything. You know, it was really awesome. I know I helped out so many other people out there, and that was my goal. Apparently this company, who uses other companies on some of their other locations, which they're not very happy with them, mind you, don't like the fact that I was helping everybody become a better technician, I guess. I don't know. And making their job easier, helping technicians become more proficient and efficient at doing their jobs. I don't know what's going on with that. But they found out, and I didn't make it a secret, but they found out it was being filmed on their stores. Apparently there is nowhere in any contract that I ever see state that we can't do that. It wasn't advertising for them. I wasn't sponsoring them. I wasn't doing any of this stuff. But now I cannot film anything there whatsoever. So a lot of hard work went down the drain. And really, the people who got affected the most are you guys, because that was some... I didn't just put down how to fix things, guys, in the descriptions. I'm pretty sure you saw. I was putting down what tools to use, part numbers, all this stuff, make their lives easier. In fact, some of their technicians used my videos as references, and now they don't even have that. They even hurt themselves in that. Anyways, guys, that's why I want to let you know what's going on. I'm not even going to ask if you like this video or anything like that, because I don't like this video. So with that, guys, thank you for watching, and I'll see you later.